डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ एलिमेंटरी एजुकेशन ओडिशा भुवनेश्वर तरफ 2007-13 16/2/26 रही चिठी ऑनरेबल हाईकोर्ट ऑफ ओडिशा फाइड ऑर्डर नंबर 1 डेटेड 19/25 have disposed of WPC number 36,381/2025 filed by Sri Duryodhana Pradhan and 4 others versus State of Odisha. The operative portion of the order runs as follow. गोटे केस डिस्पोज होता तार ऑर्डर रही इन द अबव सर्कमस्टांसेस रिट पिटिशन इज डिस्पोज्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टिंग अपोजिट पार्ट नंबर 2 टू कंसीडर द सब्जेक्ट रिप्रेजेंटेशन of the petitioners within an outer limit of 8 weeks and also inform result of such consideration to him, failing which heavy cost may be levied in the next round of litigation. All contentions of the parties are kept open. तो 8 सप्ताह मध्य रिप्रेजेंटेशन को कंसीडर करने कहुई जनवाई रिजल्ट कहुई जदि यह न करते तेरे हाई कस्ट दवाई कहुई इन कंप्लायंस विथ द अबव डायरेक्शन द पिटिशनर सबमिटेड ए कॉमन रिप्रेजेंटेशन डेटेड 19/1/26 व्हिच इज आल्सो एट annexure 4 of the writ petition. After going through representation and subject contention of the writ petition, the claims of the petitioner are ascertained. तो रिप्रेजेंटेशन टी 19/1/26 से देते रिप्रेजेंटेशन कौन कर देखु ये रही पिटिशनर कंटेंडेड दैट पिटिशनर कहते दे वी आर ड्यूली क्वालिफाइड एंड वी आर सिलेक्टेड on the basis of career marks and interview as per the merit list by the district selection committee for appointment of Shiksha Karmi in the year 1992. However, appointment order were not issued in their favor, though several other candidates from the same merit list were engaged by the authorities. से उपयुक्त भाव शिक्षित योग्य थे 1992 मसीह से सिलेक्ट होता दि जाता अपॉइंटमेंट ऑर्डर किंतु अन्य किसी जन को मिलता एग्रीड देयर बाय द एप्लिकेंट्स अप्रोच द ऑनरेबल ट्रिब्यूनल बट देयर क्लेम वाज रिजेक्टेड विदाउट कंसीडरेशन ऑफ द मेरिट्स ऑफ द केस ट्रिब्यूनल से अप्रोच करते रिजेक्ट होता thereafter applicants approached the honorable high court. The honorable court was pleased to consider the matter and directed that the applicants case for engagement of Shiksha Sahayak be considered again any vacancy arising in Gajapati district as indicated by the Director Elementary Education Odisha. High court कथा ग्रहण करथिले এবং শিক্ষা সহায়ক নিযুক্তি দেওয়া কইଥିଲେ in the meantime the authorities have engaged candidates from the said merit list in Salipur education district. However, the applicants have not been considered for engagement. से समय रे अथॉरिटी मध्य कैंडिडेट को एंगेज करथिले सालीपुर एजुकेशन डिस्ट्रिक्ट किंतु तांकर कोर्ट डेटेड 24/8/2018 passed in contempt 1430 of 2018 the grievance of the left out empanel Shiksha Karmis of 1992 has not yet been considered by the authorities till date. हाई कोर्ट को निर्देश सत्वे कंसीडर करा जाय नथला. The applicants have submitted representation requesting consideration of their engagement. On verification of the record and report submitted by the district education officer Gajapati, the following facts emerged. The petitioners applied for the post of Shiksha Karmi but were not selected in the selection process and hence were never engaged or observed as Shiksha Karmi. जेहेतु से सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस रे सिलेक्ट हो नथिले. Taking the plea of the non-absorption, petitioner had earlier filed OA number 597/2003 which was disposed of by the Honorable Tribunal filed order dated 27/4/2010 the following order considering the submission made by the learned counsel for the both parties and keeping in view of the fact that the scheme for engagement of Shiksha Karmis has already been abolished with effect from 3/1/96 and no primary school teachers are engaged by direct recruitment and they are to be recruited from amongst the Shiksha Sahayak. After rendering their service as such Shiksha Sahayak, I am the consider view that no direction can be issued to the respondents for appointing the applicants as primary school teachers. As such, of the relief has been made by the applicants in this way cannot be granted in their favor. जेहेतु शिक्षाकर्मी स्कीम टी आबोलिश हो जाइथिला सेतिपई ट्रिब्यूनाल मना करथिले सेते इंटरफेयर करिया पई तेणु डिस्पोज करथिले. However, as the when any advertisement is issued for engagement of Shiksha Sack, the applicants are at liberty to submit their application for such engagement, and in case they submit application for engagement of Shiksha Sack, their applications shall also be considered along with other similarly placed person, subject to fulfilling the terms and conditions for such engagement on which I have expressed no opinion. यदि से शिक्षा सहायक नियुक्ति पाई से अप्लाई करें इन पर्सन्स ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट इन एसएमई डिपार्टमेंट 19/821/24/2015 a notice published by the Director Elementary Education Odisha inviting application who had been empaneled in 1991 panel of Shikshakarmi in erstwhile Salipur Educational District, but the petitioner were not the party to the selection process of Shikshakarmi. Thereafter, the petitioner filed WPC number 14548/2010, which was disposed by the Honorable High Court 18/8/2017 डिस्पोज होता. Nagaland Standing Council for the School and Mass Education Department has no objection. He fairly submitted that in case any vacancy is available, the case of the petitioner can be considered in the light of the above observation made by tribunal, as well as if any vacancy occurs in the district of Gajpati, as indicated by the Director Elementary Education Odisha, so far as Salipur is concerned. जेहेतु सालीपुर एजुकेशन डिस्ट्रिक्ट कंसीडर करने इन व्यू ऑफ द अबव द कोर्ट डिस्पोजेस ऑफ बोथ द रिट पिटिशन को डिस्पोज करते. पिटिशनर्स एप्लिकेशन बी कंसीडर सिंपैथेटिकली रिलैक्सिंग अपर एज लिमिट को मध्य सिंपैथेटिकली कंसीडर कराइला एज एक्सपेडिशियसली एज पॉसिबल ऑन प्रोडक्शन ऑफ ए सर्टिफाइड कॉपी ऑफ दिस ऑर्डर. ड्यू टू डिले इन कंप्लेंट्स कंटेम्प्ट केस मध्य आसीथिला. गवर्नमेंट फाइड रिजोल्यूशन नंबर 410 डेटेड 3/1/96 आबोलिस्ट शिक्षाकर्मी स्कीम आबोलिश करथिले. डिसाइड करथिले फिलअप करबा पई प्राइमरी टीचर वैकेंसी डायरेक्ट रिक्रुटमेंट माध्यम रे एवं नो रिक्रुटमेंट अंडर दिस सेड स्कीम हैज टेकन प्लेस देयर आफ्टर. तेणु शिक्षाकर्मी हिसाब रे आ कोनोसी पोस्टिंग हे नथला. तेणु शिक्षा सहायक एंगेजमेंट 2016-17 there is no provision to accommodate leftover unselected शिक्षाकर्मी. शिक्षा सहायक अपॉइंटमेंट बेले कौन क्राइटेरिया नथला जे शिक्षाकर्मी को करने कंसीडर एज पर गवर्नमेंट रिजोल्यूशन नंबर 25,605/26/2016 द पिटिशन डू नॉट पास द रिक्विजिट एजुकेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन CTDLED or OTT qualification required for engagement of शिक्षा सहायक. The present recruitment of junior teacher schematic is governed by different policy framework. Since the petitioner do not possess required qualification, the petitioner did not submit application for the recruitment of junior teacher. On perusal of the petition, subsequent representation records and materials available therein, the following is observed. जहाँ जहाँ कागज पत्र अवेलेबल रही ताकू नहीं ऑब्जर्वेशन दिया जाता. पिटिशनर्स वर नेवर एंगेज शिक्षाकर्मी भाव से नियुक्ति पाई नथिले. Consequently, the question of their rehabilitation or absorption of शिक्षा सहायक does not arise. तेणु तंकर सेटा प्रश्न उठुनाई. Petitioners do not fulfill the prescribed eligibility criteria for engagement of शिक्षा सहायक. जेहेतु तांके पाखरे OTT CT नहीं तेणु से मध्य योग्यता हासिल करना शिक्षा सहायक पाई. In view of the above fact, records and government policy, and in compliance with order dated 19/25 of the Honorable High Court Odisha, the claim of the petitioner for engagement as शिक्षा सहायक with service and financial benefit is hereby rejected. तेणु तांकर दाबी को रिजेक्ट कर दिया जाइए. तो निश्चित भाव गोटे बड़ खबर रही. देखा परवर्ती अपडेट. तो निश्चित भाव देखूँ बर्तमान बड़ खबर आसी पहुँची. सनातन पंडा जी की उच्चस्तरीय कमिटर आवाहक रही श्रीजुक्त सनातन पंडा एक सरकारी कार्यक्रम में खोर्धा आसी प्राथमिक शिक्षकों 2 दफा दाबी उपर सम्यक आलोचना कर सुजोग मिलता. ସରକାରଙ୍କ ସହ ଆଲୋଚନା ଚାଲିଛି ଓ ଖୁବ୍ ଶୀଘ୍ର ଉଚ୍ଚସ୍ତରୀୟ କମିଟି ରିପୋର୍ଟ ପ୍ରଦାନ କରିବ। କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତାରୁ ପଜିଟିଭ୍ ଜଣାପଡ଼ିଥିଲା। ତ ସବୁଠାରୁ ବଡ଼ କଥା ଇଏ ରହିଛି ଯେ ଆପଣମାନେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଇଏ ପ୍ରସଙ୍ଗରେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ଆଶା ଉଜ୍ଜୀବିତ ହେଉଛି ପ୍ରାଥମିକ ଶିକ୍ଷକମାନଙ୍କର। ଦେଖିବା ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ଅପଡ଼େଟ୍।